Hello everyone. In this lecture, I would like to discuss electrochemistry part 2 or section 2. So I will be discussing conductance, specific conductance, equivalent conductance and molar conductance. Okay students, I hope that you have been following all the videos. Try to watch all the videos, then only you can understand. Okay, if you miss the video, you may not understand. So freshers, especially students, you are requested to watch all the videos. Now I am going to discuss section 2 of the electrochemistry, conductance and conductors. Resistance of a solution. So now we will see the definition of the resistance of a solution. The hindrance provided by the solution in the passage of current. So it is expressed in ohms. So here ohm is the unit of resistance. Generally we know the meaning of the resistance. Conductance. So we have discussed resistance, just definition. Now conductance. See the definition of the conductance. It is the property of the conductor, metallic as well as electrolytic. Here conductors two types already we discussed. Two types and differences between metallic and electrolytic conductors were also discussed earlier. If you haven't watched the video, you go back and watch the video again. So it is the property of the conductor, metallic as well as electrolytic for both cases, which facilitates the flow of electricity through it. So basically conductance means flow of electricity. It is equal to the reciprocal of the resistance. Conductance equal to 1 by resistance. Reciprocal means 1 by resistance. Yes, this is the equation. Conductance equal to 1 by resistance equal to 1 by R, because resistance is represented with capital R. Clear? Unit of the conductance. Students, unit of the conductance, yes, ohm inverse. Why ohm inverse? Here R is already, we know, ohm. So 1 by ohm equal to ohm inverse reverse mho, or again it is equal to the Siemens. Specific conductance or conductivity. Generally specific conductance is nothing but conductivity. Here words are very important, dear students. You should focus on terms. Very close. Okay, conductance is different. Specific conductance is different. Conductivity is there. So conductivity and specific conductance both are same again. Okay, the resistance of any conductor directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its cross section area. So R is directly proportional to L and R inversely proportional to A. Okay, generally we see in this in physics, electricity also. Yes, look at here, R is directly proportional to L by A and R equal to R directly proportional to L, and this is the inversely proportional cross sectional area. R equal to, this is the proportionality constant, we call rho into L by A. Next step, rho is specific resistance or resistivity. Again words, similar words. Rho is specific resistance and is also called resistivity. Look here, specific conductance or conductivity, both are same. Here also specific resistance is equal to the resistivity. I have been repeating the words, terms. You should focus on the terms. Terms are very important. Otherwise you will get confused very easily. Okay, students. Next, yes, if L equal to 1 centimeter and A equal to 1 centimeter square, then that means put L equal to 1, A equal to 1, what you will get? R equal to rho. R equal to rho. That means in this situation, resistance is equal to the resistivity when if L equal to 1 centimeter and A equal to 1 square centimeter, in this situation resistance is equal to the rho, or equal to rho. Definition of the rho: it is defined as the resistance of 1 centimeter cube of a conductor. Okay, next, the reciprocal of specific resistance is termed the specific conductance or conductivity. Again, this is important, students. This one, the reciprocal of the specific resistance is termed as specific conductance. Earlier already we have studied conductance and resistance both are reciprocal. Conductance equal to 1 by resistance. Similarly, specific conductance or conductivity equal to 1 by specific resistance. Okay. Next we will see. Yes, it is denoted by the symbol kappa equal to 1 by rho. Kappa equal to 1 by rho. Students, here K kappa, what we call, actually it is not K, almost similar to the K. Generally we call kappa. Kappa means here conductivity or specific conductance. Okay, words are very important. Conductivity. Sometimes we use the conductivity. Sometimes again we use specific conductance. Both are same. Conductance is different. So conductivity kappa equal to reciprocal means 1 by specific resistance or resistivity. Okay. Okay. Next, already we discussed R equal to rho into L by A, because resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Okay. Now just here I am rearranging the terms here. So we are getting 1 by rho here. Here, yes, 1 by rho equal to L by A into, send R to this side, you will get 1 by R. So 1 by rho, you know, specific conductance, because it is the specific resistance rho. So reciprocal of the specific resistance is called what we call specific conductance. L by A is called cell constant, and 1 by R. R is the resistance, reciprocal of the resistance, the whole term is conductance. This is very important relation. Dear students, you should by heart the relation. This is very important. Specific conductance equal to the cell constant and conductance. This is specific conductance or conductivity, this one. This is the cell constant into conductance. In this one, cell constant is very important, L by A. L by A is the cell constant. Now we are going to see units of R and rho, cell constant, kappa. Units are very important. You will get direct question also. So students, next one. Yes. First one, R. R is resistance, ohm. This is the symbol. G is the conductance. So reciprocal of the resistance, ohm, 1 by ohm equal to ohm inverse, mho and Siemens or capital S. Already we have discussed. Next, rho. This is the rho. Rho equal to ohm into centimeter. That means this is the ohm. L is the centimeter. A is the centimeter square. this centimeter and the centimeter square centimeter get cancelled. Rearrange, you will get ohm centimeter or ohm meter. One is CGS, this is the CGS, and this one is the MKS. Next kappa, this one is very important. Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, or ohm inverse, meter inverse, or mho centimeter inverse, or Siemens centimeter inverse, or Siemens meter inverse. Cell constant, this is the most important unit. Okay, what is the unit of the cell constant? It is a direct question. So cell constant equal to, this is the cell constant, L by A. So L is the centimeter and A is the centimeter square. So centimeter and centimeter get cancelled. 1 centimeter is left in the denominator, so we will get a centimeter inverse or meter inverse. Okay, students. Yes, in this slide we will see some definitions. Conductance, all of you know, conductance is defined as the conducting power of all the ions that are present in a solution is called conductance. Next one, conductivity or specific conductance. First one, CGS system. Definition, the conducting power of all the ions that are present in 1 centimeter cube of a solution is called conductance. Underline this one, 1 centimeter cube of a solution. This is the CGS system definition. Next one, MKS system. The conducting power of all the ions that are present in a 1 meter cube of a solution is called conductance. In this case, underline meter cube. Just read the definitions. Next, yes, effect of dilution. This one important. For example, upon dilution, the number of ions increases, so conductance increases. Upon dilution means if you add the solvent or if you add the water, dilution means decreasing the concentration of the solution. So what will happen on dilution? Number of ions increases. When number of ions increases, actually mobility arises is due to the number of ions only. So when number of ions increases, conductance increases. Yes, this one is important. Upon dilution, number of ions increases, but the number of ions per unit volume decreases. So conductivity decreases. So conductivity decreases. These two statements are very important and very you get confusion also here. Conductance increases on dilution, but conductivity decreases on dilution. Why? Why? The number of ions per unit volume decreases, so that conductivity decreases. Very important statements. Okay, here equivalent conductance, that is the symbol reverse of the V, or equivalent conductivity. Equivalent conductance, other name equivalent conductivity. Students, here you may get doubt. What is the doubt here? Conduct equivalent is the same term here. Here also equivalent same. But here conductance is there. So simply conductance is replaced with conductivity. But what we discussed, conductance and conductivity both are not same. Conductance is different and conductivity is different. Conductivity equal to the specific conductance. So that is general sense. But here equivalent conductance and equivalent conductivity. Generally many students, generally they feel that, sir, here equivalent is there, remove the equivalent, here also remove the equivalent, then we will get conductance and conductivity. Okay, so it is not a game also. So that is different. Normal conductance and conductivity both are different, but here equivalent conductance generally we treat as a single term. So equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity both are same. Be prepared. Okay. Next. Yes, although specific conductance is suitable property for characterizing metallic conductance. So already we studied specific conductance. Actually it is a very suitable property for metallic conductance, but it is not for the characterizing electrolytic conductance, which depends upon electrolytic conductance means aqueous solutions. So which depends upon the concentration of the solution of the electrolyte as well. While measuring conductances of electrolytes in solutions, actually specific conductance already we discussed, already you people have seen, but specific conductance is suitable for the metallic conductance but not for the electrolytes. Okay, so for measuring the conductances of electrolytes in solutions, another quantity of much greater significance known as equivalent conductance is frequently used. Okay, so please remember equivalent conductance, equivalent conductivity. In some cases use equivalence conductance also, equivalent like this. Okay student, next definition: the conducting power of all the ions present in a solution having 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. This is the point here. Definition: almost all definitions are looking same, but small modifications here. Having, earlier we saw already CGS, MKS, 1 centimeter cube, 1 meter cube like this. In this case, in the case of equivalent conductance, ions present in a having 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte. 1 gram equivalent. I hope that you know how to calculate gram equivalents. Generally, number of moles equal to weight of the substance by molecular weight, but number of gram equivalents equal to weight of the substance by equivalent weight of the substance. Okay, it is equal to the, generally we discuss gram equivalent word in the case of normality solutions. Next, in general, equivalent conductance equal to kappa into V in ml. So equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity, I will show you. Yes, equivalent conductivity is equal to the specific conductance or conductivity into volume, here V in ml, milliliters, where V equal to volume in ml containing 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte. 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte. Units, these ultimate units are very important. Students, actually at a time, first time easily you get confused, very easy, because most of the words are very close: conductance, specific conductance, conductivity, uh, resistance, resistivity, specific resistance. Okay, equivalence conductance, equivalent conductivity, all words almost looking very same. So you have to read the chapter, you have to watch the videos again and again, then only you can get clarity. Okay, so first attempt it is very difficult to analyze, but it is very easy. It is very easy chapter also. The thing is that you should focus on the terms only. Terms are very important. So on practice, just only practice. If you practice, you can understand very easily. But the thing is that especially all words are very close. So unit here, ohm inverse, centimeter square, equivalent inverse. This is the unit of equivalent conductivity. This is the symbol. Ohm inverse, centimeter square. Equivalent inverse or ohm inverse meter square, MKS unit. Siemens meter square, because only ohm inverse is the unit of the resistance. Ohm inverse, centimeter inverse, specific conductance. So make a notes and try to understand how you are getting the units. That is very important. Understand the concept. If the concentration of the solution is C gram equivalent per liter. So here, yes, per liter. Liter means here 1000 ml. So in 1000 ml, so how many gram equivalents are present here? C gram. Here C is the number. C is the number. C gram equivalent present. So for 1 gram equivalent, we have to calculate the, yes, the volume containing 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte will be 1000 by C. This is the direct one. Yes, this is the very important formula. Equivalence conductance. Equivalence, yes, equivalent conductance equal to kappa, specific conductance into 1000 by C. Okay, very important formulas, this one. Yes, now I will explain. Yes, equivalent conductance, this is the symbol. Equivalent conductance equal to kappa into 1000 by C is replaced with N. Capital N represents normality. Okay, why we are replacing C? Because gram equivalents. Generally gram equivalents is nothing but a normality case. So here 1000 by N. Again, all of you look here. In this case also kappa and N both are same. Places are remain same. But here in this case 1000 is present in the numerator. In the second case 1000 is present in the denominator. But this formula it is used frequently. This formula is very important. Why means here kappa is expressed in ohm inverse centimeter inverse. So when kappa is given CGS unit ohm inverse centimeter inverse, so we are supposed to take this formula. If kappa is expressed in ohm inverse meter inverse, so we are supposed to use this formula. Okay, so try to focus, try to remember this one. It is used frequently. Okay, K 1000 by N. N represents normality. Okay students, next, effect of dilution. Upon dilution, equivalent conductance increases. Earlier we have seen, upon dilution conductance increases. Upon dilution equivalent conductance increases. Upon dilution specific conductance or conductivity decreases. Very important. Note, electrolytic conductance is also expressed frequently as equivalent conductance. However, the recent trend is to express electrolytic conductance in terms of molar conductance. Next, we are going to discuss molar conductance. Look at all are very close. Equivalent conductance has been discussed now. But once check the note, last line, in terms of molar conductance. Okay. Okay students, molar conductance, molar conductivity. Okay. So if you have understood equivalent conductance or equivalent conductivity, easily you can understand molar conductance or molar conductivity. Here one more doubt you may get. Yes, equivalence conductance, generally I used this one, reverse V and EQ. Which term used? EQ. This is the equivalent conductance. But in this case, in place of EQ, which is placed here M, because it represents molar. But in some reference books or in some textbooks or reference books, molar conductivity is represented by mu. is represented by mu. Both are correct. You can use any one. Okay. Here also say molar conductance. Generally we treat it is a single word, molar conductance and molar conductivity. Don't think here molar and molar get cancelled and conductance and conductivity is same. Okay, not like that. Molar conductance is nothing but molar conductivity. Remember always, general conductance is different from the conductivity. Both are not same. Conductance and conductivity are not same, but molar conductance and molar conductivity both are same again. Like equivalent conductance and equivalent conductivity. I have been repeating. Why I have been repeating means terms are very close. Okay, especially first time who are listening first time, you may get doubts also, you may get confused very easily. That's why I have been repeating to make you comfortable. Okay students, next we will see very easy definition. The conducting power of all the ions present in a solution having 1 mole of electrolyte. So in the earlier case, what is used? 1 gram equivalent. Here 1 mole of electrolyte. This is the only difference. Nothing. 1 mole. This is important. Next. In general, molar conductance equal to kappa into V in ml. You know, where V equal to volume in ml containing 1 mole of the electrolyte. Units ohm inverse, centimeter square, mole inverse. But earlier case, ohm inverse, centimeter square, gram equivalent inverse or equivalent inverse. But here equivalent inverse has been replaced with mole inverse. Be attentive, units are very important. If the concentration of the solution is C gram mole per liter, means 1000 ml, then volume containing 1 gram mole of the electrolyte will be 1000 by C. Yes, formula almost same. This one, molar conductance equal to K 1000 by C, lambda K 1000 by M. Here earlier case N, normality, but in this case M equal to molarity, where K is expressed in ohm inverse, centimeter inverse. Yes, molarity. If K is expressed in ohm inverse, meter inverse. This is about the molar conductance. Molar conductance, equivalent conductance. Okay, data is almost same, but representation is different. Okay. Variation of conductivity and molar conductivity with concentration. Here, look, all of you. Here only conductivity is mentioned. Simple word conductivity. This one molar conductivity. Okay. Upon dilution, specific conductance or conductivity decreases while molar conductivity increases. Why? It is very important question. Answer already we discussed earlier. Upon diluting the solution, dilution means, yes, concentration decreases automatically. The number of ions per unit volume decreases and therefore the conductivity decreases. Very important question and you should by heart the answer, make a note. So this is the formula we have seen earlier. On the other hand, the increase in molar conductivity on dilution, specific conductance or conductivity decreases, but what about the molar conductivity on dilution? Molar conductivity will increase on dilution. On dilution, conductivity decreases. Conductivity decreases. Again, it is important question. But volume containing 1 mole of volume containing 1 mole of an electrolyte increases. So what will happen here? Volume increases. Volume increases. It has been found that increase in volume on dilution is much more than the decrease in conductivity. So as a result, molar conductivity increases with dilution. First, yes, see here this one. On dilution, what happens? Volume increases. Volume increases. This one specific conductance decreases. But comparatively, the increase in volume on dilution is much more. That means this is very much more compared to kappa. So overall molar conductance increases. I hope that you have understood. Read the lines and try to match with the equation. Then you can understand. Relation between equivalent and molar conductivity. Yes, this is the relation. Equivalent conductance by molar conductance equal to molarity by normality. This is the relation between the equivalent and molar conductivity. Okay students, thank you for watching my video. For queries you can contact me through my WhatsApp number or through the email ID. Thank you very much.